Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Keep inhaling through nose, exhaling through mouth. Close your eyes. Keep breathing through your nose, exhaling through your mouth. Pay full attention to your own heartbeat. Feel your heartbeat. Counting 10 to 1. 1 represents full relaxation. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. You're feeling more relaxed. 3, 2, 1. In your imagination, you're gonna go to a happy place. It can be forest, a jungle, a camp house, maybe the beach. You're gonna imagine 2 boxes. One box represents your bad habits, the things you wanna let go, things that doesn't help you at all. In the bad habit box, we're gonna place everything that we no longer want in our life. We decide to be free. We decide to have willpower. So now, you are ready to place all the negative stuff in your bad box. Cigarettes, tobacco, alcohol, sweets, salty food, junk food, fast food, sweet drinks. You know what's bad for you, and you are ready to place it on that box. You decide to be free. You decide to have a willpower so you can enjoy your life. Place everything you don't need that keeps you from moving on. Maybe a bad relationship. Maybe that addiction. You no longer need it. With courage, you place that box on fire. You burn that box. You place that box on fire. It's going to disappear. disappear. You can ask for help. You need help? Ask for help. Warn that box. Place that box on fire. See? See how that box on fire is no longer gonna harm you. You no longer need it. You are ready to be happy. You activate your serotonin. In your good box, in your happy box, you're gonna place the habit of exercise, the drinking water habit. You're gonna enjoy eating salads. You're gonna enjoy eating organic food, healthy food, fruits, veggies, whole grains. They're welcome to your appetite. In your good box, you're gonna place everything that's good for you. And you're ready to be happy, to feel joy, to feel love. You're gonna slowly wake up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,